A very good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to the Zoom. Uh, we'll start the session in next 5 to 10 minutes. People are joining because today we started a little early. Uh, before time. So let people join. Because people are continuously joining the session. So let them join, and then we will start in next 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Thank you, everyone. Once again, a very good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome. People are joining, and we can see the numbers actually. So, next 5 minutes, we will start the session. Thank you, everyone. If you have anybody in your contact who's part of Bitcoin Zero, so please ask them to join the session as soon as possible because this is going to be very important today. So, kindly ask everybody to join the session. Thank you.
A very good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the Zoom call today. We are starting in next 5 minutes. Very important updates to provide. Thank you so much.
Recording in progress.
All right. Very good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the Zoom session today. Can I see your hands, please? Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Very important things which we have discussed, and now let me also open my notepad. Uh, blank. Right. First of all, thank you so much for joining the Zoom. We have already announced the airdrop for the Telegram community for SHA-256 miners, and we have received thousands of the addresses over the email from the users. Please don't send email again and again. If you have shared once, don't send it again. It will cause more time for the team to see and check. So please share just once. Monday, the airdrop will start processing. And today we were talking about doing some online tutorial of giving SHA-256 miners airdrop to few people and teach them how to mint the miner. Well, I have a discussion with the team and some of the people. We want to keep it as much easy as we can for the community, and minting. If we gonna teach community how to mint the NFT miner is a process, like I was talking about MetaMask wallet and then BSC scan, ERC-721 tokens, then collectible ID details and all those things. So we want to keep it easy. So what we are doing now, we are minting the miners for the airdrop ourselves, which means we are paying the fees ourselves. And after paying the fee, after minting the miner, we are doing the airdrop to the wallet holders. So you don't have to pay for the fees anymore. The fee of $1 to $2 will be covered by us, and we're gonna mint the miners. And once we're gonna mint the miners by Monday, we're gonna start doing the airdrop directly to the wallet addresses which we have received. I'm trying to say here is very simple. The tutorial will be there. Definitely, the tutorial is required on how to how to have your NFT miner in your MetaMask wallet. Definitely, it will ask for some details which we will learn. Minting miner process. In order to mint your miner yourself is a little bit technical process which we will do in stage 2 or stage 3. But for the stage 1, we want maximum people within very easy modus operandi, because most of the guys are new in crypto space, learning crypto space. So we want to keep it as much easy as we can for the community for the beginning. So we will do the minting and we will send the miner airdrop to the community. The minting miner smart contract will be shared, so the community can see how many miners have been minted. It will be 100,000 miners airdrop, so it will be 100,000 miners minting airdrop smart contract. So we're gonna first mint, we're gonna pay the fee, and then we're gonna transfer the miners to different wallet addresses which we have received. We are starting the process Monday. I'm keeping my Zoom on 13th. 13th is Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will start sending the miners to the wallet addresses. And on 13th, I will do the live tutorial of if anyone needs some help, live tutorial on how to, how to find the miner in your MetaMask wallet. And then after that, we will do the tutorial of the dApp which you will be open in your MetaMask itself. Since it is a dApp, it's a Web3 app, it will be open inside your MetaMask wallet. And the tutorial of dApp, how to connect your wallet. Then once your wallet is connected, you connected to the dApp, you will see all your miners inside the dApp. Then how to connect your miner to the node, and how to harvest, how to borrow ZWatt from website, and all those information will be as a part of tutorial. Where is the primary market? Where is the secondary market? If some people don't want to mine, but they have the miner, they can sell the miner in the secondary market. The whole NFT secondary market is ready inside the dApp. The dApp is ready. Everything is ready. It's just one by one tutorial before the launch. So the dApp tutorial will help people understand how to connect your miner to the node. And then we will decide the Genesis block date and time. And first block will be launched. And first reward of 50 BTC-Z will go to the miners whose miners are connected with the node. And after that, every 10 minutes rewards like Bitcoin rewards in the back days. So the tutorial part will be on 13th. What we are doing now, we are starting the airdrop to the community, to the wallet addresses from Monday. We will share the list of we will not share the list, but Monday people will get the reply from the email contact@btcz.org that their batch has been processed. And once the batch is processed, you will have the information with the transaction ID of a miner, SHA-256 miner, has been transferred to your wallet address. Tuesday on 13th, which is Wednesday, we will learn how to find your collectible ID number from Binance Smart Chain, BSC scan, and how to get the miner in your MetaMask wallet, where you can find it inside your MetaMask wallet. I don't know how many of you have NFTs already in your MetaMask wallet. If you have NFTs, I'm not talking about coin. NFT is different. It's not a coin. So if you have NFT, you know how to find NFT. If you're not, then on 13th, we will have the tutorial where everybody will be able to locate because we will be starting the airdrop from Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will keep doing the airdrop, transferring the miners to all the white label addresses and replying to the channel and group owners over the email that it is processed. And on 13th, we'll take 4 or 5 live calls from the community, the people who have received the miner, and we'll do the live tutorial on how to found your miner and how to see your miner details inside your MetaMask wallet. So that's the update. If we start giving tutorial of minting the miner, it will be like 3-4 more steps, more confusion for community in the beginning. And we are willing that people should find it easier. First, that they receive the miner, they locate the miner, then they understand the dApp tutorial, they connect to the miner to the node, we launch the Genesis block, and people start mining BTC-Z. And the day we launch the dApp, the day we're gonna launch the Genesis block, the same day after 10 minutes, the available supply will be 50 BTC-Z. After 10 minutes, 50 more BTC-Z, like that. So we will also go for a tutorial on how to be the liquidity provider for the BTC-Z on the PancakeSwap, because only miners have the BTC-Zs with them. And it is going to be the miners' decision that what price they want to list the token, what price they want the token to be traded, because the production cost will be around $8 to $9, probably $9 to $10, depends upon how many miners are participating initially. We will do the airdrop, but people have to understand that it's their responsibility. They have to learn on how to locate in the MetaMask wallet. And if your miner is not connected with the node, then it won't produce. So these two tutorials are very important, how to find in your MetaMask wallet, and how the tutorial for the dApp, where you have to connect your miner with the node. Once the miner is connected with the node, it will provide the computation power to the blockchain. And once the Genesis block time and date is announced with the community, you can say community voting system, we can decide a time and date, and we will launch the Genesis block that time. And after that, it will be the decentralized system. So we have only 4, 5, 6 points to cover as a tutorial before we go live. And we are ready at our end. The miner is ready. The dApp is ready. Like I said, this week we will also share the static report on auditing of the smart contract, which will ensure that whatever we are talking, whatever we are promising over the white paper, everything is same. So that's the update. You can still finish your proof of activity work in your Telegram group. If your Telegram group has increased more than 100 or 200, you can create another Telegram group. Keep promoting a BTC-Z to the different Telegram groups owned by different people, and talk about the SHA-256 miners. You have enough content from last 1 month. You have this is one of the best content for the bear market as well, because there is no good content than Bitcoin content. Everybody knows about it. So we are talking about the Bitcoin content, and once we finish the miner connection to the node and the Genesis block, then we will start building the community, and we're gonna start building the Bitcoin Foundation, where we will start giving the airdrops of BTC-Z collected by. So we will collect some BTC-Z as a donation from the community, and those BTC-Z we can give airdrops on a different platforms for more people to get involved. Once the available supply will be there, we will apply for CoinMarketCap and other places, and then we will go for 40,000 miner airdrop through CoinMarketCap community building as well. But the day the Genesis block will be started, the very same day your BTC-Z value will come to power. Miners decision the price. You can keep price $10. Your production cost is $8 to $9. You can keep the price $20, $200, $2,000 is up to the miners what price they want to keep. So once before the Genesis block, once we finish these two tutorials, one is on 13th. By the 13th, we will have a good number of airdrop finished, and then the tutorial for the dApp, and then we will see how to create a pool on PancakeSwap initially, because there is no much supply initially. Community will create the PancakeSwap pool. Community will participate in that because miners have the coin only, and then the people who don't understand how to mine. Nobody is. How many people are mining Bitcoins? Very less people are mining Bitcoins. Rest people are buying it from the exchanges. So you have to realize the miners who are mining the Bitcoin, because there's only one way to get Bitcoin is the Bitcoin goes to miners, and from miners it will go to the market. So all the people who are gonna have the NFT miners, they're gonna give the supply of BTC-Z to the market, which means that a very huge number of people who don't know mining, who won't be able to understand mining, will be buying it from the market, because initially the price will be cheap. At least it is not $20,000. You guys will not keep it $20,000 right now. So there will be a huge number of people buying it from the market, because it's like buying Bitcoin at a very low price. It's like whatever price the miners are going to decide. We will run a poll among the miners that what price they want to list it on, and then you can create the pool. There's a tutorial of how to create the pool, and you can set the price yourself, and after that it will be the trading in the market. So we have very important Zooms back to back for next 2-3 weeks. Tuesday we are also on 13th, we are also starting the Twitter promotions with very huge influencers on Twitter. Going to start the promotion along with your efforts. The people who have participated in Telegram, they can also participate in the Twitter. program. It's not that they are not eligible for Twitter anymore because they are a part of Telegram. So you have more chances of claiming more miners by promoting BTC-Z on a different social media platforms. So let's talk about points. Point number one, if you still have your groups, if you have not shared your information of wallet addresses, please share. Monday, the airdrop will start. 13th, which is Wednesday, a live tutorial on how to find your miner in your MetaMask wallet, and a live call with few people, live Zoom with the screen share, where I will show also that how I will show how to find on your phone in your MetaMask wallet. How many of you have downloaded MetaMask wallet on your Android or iOS devices already? A very good number. Thank you so much. Please keep $2-3 balance. Like I said, we are paying the fees from our side. You are not paying for the fees. Just keep the balance. It will help you for even transfers. Let's say I have two wallets and I have two miners in two different wallets. I can keep my miner in one wallet. I can transfer my miner. Let's say I have 10 wallets, for example, and I have 10 miners. Instead of operating from 10 different phones, I can transfer my rest miners in one wallet. So it's like my one MetaMask wallet have now 10 miners. And when I will connect my MetaMask wallet to the dApp, I will be able to see my all 10 miners in the dApp, which I can connect to the node. So all these things are very simple. You don't have to run multiple devices. You can keep the miners at one place in one MetaMask wallet, connect with the dApp, connect with the node, and start mining with the Genesis block operation. So point back to back, yeah. Airdrop from Monday, 13th live tutorial, and then the tutorial for dApp, the Twitter campaign, Discord campaign, YouTube campaign, TikTok campaign are much easier than Telegram campaign because it's more of a tweet and share and all those things as an activity. And we're gonna finish it fast. And within this month, we are launching the Genesis block. The Z-Fuel website, the ZWatt production, and the ZWatt routers, and the consumption of ZWatt with the different prices will be available, which will be a part of tutorial 2. So all these tutorials are going to be a part of next 2 weeks maximum, and we're gonna be ready for the voting of the Genesis block mining, and then the voting for the initial listing price from the miners side. If miners don't want to sell, they can keep. If they want to sell, they can sell because there's a huge market waiting to buy at such cheap cost. So that is the update for today. Please make sure you have shared your doc correctly, and the airdrops will take place. Congratulations, because you are not paying for any gas fee. On the organization side, on our side, it's a big number, because if we are doing $100,000 airdrop, it will be around $100,000 or $200,000 worth of gas fees, which we have to bear, because it's every minting cost $1 or $2 of gas fees, and then the transfer fees to the community wallet address. So we are taking care of that initially because we want everyone to participate and everyone to receive. And then we're gonna talk about, once it is ready, we will talk about the how to mint miner yourself using your gas fees as well. So please raise your hand if you understood my point so far. You can still create Telegram community. You can still create your banners. You can still create other things. Keep moving. Keep posting in different groups because you are sitting on gold. You guys are going to have the miners, and you guys are going to be the going to have the available supply of BTC-Z, which is same as Bitcoin. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Monday itself, the people who have shared the email will start receiving the replies from the team regarding the update of airdrop to the wallet addresses which they have shared. And 13th, we are doing a live tutorial with the people who have already received airdrop to tell them how to find in their MetaMask wallet and how to list in their MetaMask wallet. And then we will do the dApp tutorial on how to connect it to the node. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. We have moving very fast. Everything is ready. Within next 2 weeks, we will decide the date of Genesis block, and we will start the Genesis block from that day. One more thing on top of that. I don't talk about ECN on BTC-Z, but once the tutorials are over, there will be a separate Zoom for the ECN as well. That how the people who don't understand the mining part, who don't understand how to create community, how to create Telegram group, how to do MetaMask, how to do connect to the node, DApp tutorial, and all those things, how those people will be getting the benefits if they are the ECN holders. So for the ECN holder, officially, I'm going to do a proper Zoom where they can participate and they can get the ZWAT, which has the live trading price. They can use the ZWAT to mine, or they can sell the ZWAT to in cash against BUSD or USDT. So there will be a separate Zoom for that. So please don't think that I'm not talking about that. I'm right now concentrating on BTC-Z because on this Zoom, we have many people who don't have ECN and a part of BTC-Z. So there will be a separate Zoom for that. Shiba pool is starting day after tomorrow after correction of the wallet addresses. So from day after tomorrow, we will share the list of addresses where we have finished the Shiba pool. So that would be all. There will be a separate Zoom for ECN holders once we finish the tutorials of BTC-Z, because after the Genesis block is going to be created, the ZWAT is going to be the requirement. And ECN holders will be having a huge advantage in that. So we will talk about that separately on one different Zoom, only dedicated of how to get benefited if you are an ECN holder. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. We are moving very fast. You guys are moving very fast. A huge community on Telegram has been created already. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep creating more people. You can collect as many addresses as you can. Just multiple addresses from some user will not be accepted. So there will be one miner to one MetaMask wallet, and one miner is one vote. So you have to understand, one miner, one vote. So when we will doing the voting for Genesis block, when we will do the voting for the listing price, you can do the vote after connecting your MetaMask wallet. So we will be knowing that how many votes people have received. It is not going to be a Telegram vote where anyone can come and do the vote. It's like Bitcoin, one CPU, one vote. Simple. One NF SHA-256 miner, one vote. So the voting campaign will be on a Web3 based voting campaign where people have to connect their MetaMask wallet, and as it is Web3, the website will automatically see how many miners you have in your wallet, and that is number of votes you have once you are connected. So we are going to start the voting system after Tuesday, after 13th, after my Zoom, and I'll see you guys on 13th with the live tutorial. Meanwhile, create more community, get more wallet addresses, and get free SHA-256 miners, which has a value of $300 minimum. So if people are unable to mine, they don't want to mine, but they receive the miner, I will also show you how you can sell your miner in a secondary market. So something you're getting for free has a value of more than $300. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. There will be a back-to-back Zoom sessions on tutorials only, and we're gonna start doing the airdrop from Monday. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much, guys. Please come back on 13th, as much numbers as you can, because there will be a live tutorial. If people will not see this live tutorial, then you will receive the airdrop, but you don't know how to operate. So on operation side, on how to produce and how to participate in the mining rewards of BTC-Z, you have to learn these points, very small, simple points. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining this session, and see you on 13th. Thank you.